Hello, welcome to my class. Today is Monday, 19th October 2020. Topic Robin Hood. Performance read pages 18 to 23. Pedagogical Word Unit 100. I believe that. Okay, continue. Okay, remember that Robin was dressed a butcher? ¿Se acuerdan que él estaba disfrazado de carnicero y lo invitaron a un festejo donde el sheriff? And continue. Okay, here. Robin and the butchers had a good time at the feast. Ellos tuvieron un buen rato en el festejo. Look. Un buen tiempo, un buen periodo. Good time. Like that. Delicious, I like. Okay, continue. They all talked and loud and ate a lot of meat and bread. Entonces, hablaron, se rieron, eat a lot, and loud. Mira, eat, ate, del pasado, ate, comieron, ate, meat and bread, y pan. Okay, continue. The sheriff did not recognize Robin, and he spoke to him for a very long time. Okay, the sheriff. Okay, wait for me. Is here. I heard that your prices are very low. You must be a very rich man. Do you have a lot of cattle? Yo escuché, no mentiras, yo escuché, I heard, que sus precios son muy bajos. Usted debe ser un hombre muy rico. Y le pregunta que si tiene ganado. Yes, sir, I do. My brothers and I have 510 animals. We are trying to sell them. Would you like to buy them, sir? The price is 300 gold coins. Entonces le dice, sí, mis hermanos y yo, bueno, eso sí lo saben ustedes, tenemos 510 animales y los están tratando de vender. ¿Le gustaría, would you like, le gustaría comprarlo, señor? El precio es de 300 monedas de oro. What? 300 gold coins? Okay, I will buy them. Dice que sí lo quiere. Look that. The sheriff and Robin. Now, the sheriff likes money more than any other man in England. Entonces, él tiene más dinero que los otros hombres en Inglaterra. He knew that 510 heads or cattle were worth much more than 300 gold coins. Yes, están baratos. El sheriff sabe que no vale eso. The sheriff thought and Robin was a fool. Okay, and then el sheriff pensó, o sea, él pensó que Robin era un tonto. I will give you the money now. Bring me the cattle tomorrow. No, sir, I think you should come see the cattle tomorrow morning yourself. Le doy la plata ya y me las entrega mañana, el ganado. Y le dice, no, señor, usted debería verlas mañana, en la mañana por usted mismo, yourself. Tomorrow morning, yourself, usted mismo. All right, you can sleep here tonight. Yes, you can sleep here tonight. Eso sí está fácil. Usted puede dormir esta noche aquí. We will leave early in the morning. Okay, continue. And if you have, si tienes el libro, por favor responde las preguntas. Here. And this is important, okay? For los que no tengan el libro, esta parte pues no es necesaria, pero sí, no tienen que hacer los dibujos, pero sí lo pueden responder, okay? And this activity, look that. Aquí nos dice, read and put the sentences in order. Write 1 to 8 in the boxes. Okay, please try to do. And the other is, look at the picture and write what happened in the story. Use the note in the box. Entonces, pues estos sí, los que no tienen el libro, pues no, es muy difícil dibujarlo. Ok. But these question words aquí, siempre que utilizamos question word, mira, where, why, where, how much, how much. Okay, this is the question words about this part and this now. Okay, continue, read the other page. Here. Okay. The next morning, Robin and the sheriff let off the Sherwood Forest. Robin went to the sheriff deep into the forest. Okay, they go to the forest, and the name of the forest is Sherwood, pero lo llevan a lo profundo, a lo más adentro, yes, deep, yes, a lo profundo. Finally, Robin stopped and pointed to some of the king's deer in the distance. Look, él le señala los venaditos. Look at here. Point. And Robin, well, Sheriff, how do you like my cattle? They are definitely worth your money. What? What is this? What's going on? Those are cattle. Yes, entonces él le señala y le dice, bueno, mire, ahí está mi ganado. Y entonces el sheriff le dice, ¿qué? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué está pasando? Estos no es ganado. No, sir, they are not cattle. I am not a butcher. I am Robin Hood. And, wait for me. Hola, ¿ya llegaron? Ah, bueno, perfecto, que estoy aquí haciendo un video, entonces en 20 minutos. Si quieres, me timbras y yo bajo. Bueno, chao. The sheriff was shocked and frightened. Estaba como sorprendido y enojado. He tried to get away, but Robin held onto the horse reins. Entonces él trata de irse, pero él lo coge horse reins de las riendas del caballo. Okay? And then he blew his silver blue gold 3 times. Is that? Espérate que yo lo busque. Is here. Is that? Look that. Míralo. Is that? And the pronunciation. Okay, this silver, de plata. Entonces, continue with the story. Okay, continue. And he blew on his silver bugle 3 times. Boo, boo, boo. Suddenly, Robin's cold merry men appeared out of the forest. Entonces aparecieron los hombres, sus hombres. There are the merry men, Sheriff. I want to meet them. Ok, él dice, mire, ellos son los hombres. The merry men, ¿se acuerdan que a los hombres de Robin los llamaban merry men? Sheriff, I want, yo deseo, that you meet them, que se encuentre con ellos. You track me, Robin Hood. You lied to me. Usted me mintió. Don't worry, Sheriff. You are not in danger. No se preocupe, usted no está en peligro. You invite me to eat in your home, and now you will eat with us. Usted me invitó a su casa, a su hogar. Ahora usted comerá con nosotros. Okay, this is the story. Okay, this is the activity for today. We finished. Bye, my students. Good luck.